Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby. I hope you're having a great Sunday. This morning, I want to share with you guys again about my pineapple. Okay, my good luck pineapple. They start growing again. Okay, I mean more. Okay, so I hope you guys did try to plant your own pineapple. Okay, now let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Very beautiful. Okay, they start growing in pineapple. Okay, and come over here. Look at this one. Okay, very pretty. You see that? Okay, so yes, it is very good to have your own plant. Okay, if you can in your backyard, you can go ahead and then do that in your backyard, because me, I have my plantain in my backyard, everything. So when I'm trying to plant my pineapple, my good luck pineapple, and then they start growing. Okay, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful afternoon Sunday. Okay, bye.